Hi everyone, this is Keval from Drone Aviation. This is the 6th video of the series Drone Programming using Pluto Blocks. In this video we are going to make our Pluto drone into a spirit level. Let's go. Spirit level is a tool used by engineers and carpenters in order to check whether a surface is perfectly horizontal or if it is at a required inclination. You must have seen them using it on a table to see if they are perfectly horizontal, or maybe in a bathroom to see if the tiles are inclined towards the drain. We are today going to use the Pluto drone and convert this into a spirit level. So you can use this in order to check the horizontal level of any surface. In order to do this, the first thing we need to know is how does a spirit level basically work. So the spirit level shows you the angle. In case the surface is perfectly horizontal, you'll see that this angle is 0. In case you want it inclined, you can see that it is at a certain angle, maybe 10 degree, 20 degree, whatever you require. Now the same thing can be done using Pluto. Pluto enables you to use the sensor data and the current state data. What I mean by this is, just like in spirit level we require an angle, in the same way we can get an angle in this also. So suppose this is the roll motion of the drone. So if I consider this axis, the roll axis, this axis will give me the roll angle. What I can do with this is, I can continuously measure the roll angle and check if the roll angle is 0, that is perfectly horizontal, perfectly flat, or if it is at an inclination which is not perfectly horizontal. So let us see how we build this, and you'll eventually realize purpose of this when we see the execution. Let us quickly make a new project. I'll rename it as Spirit Level Drone. Okay, now in Pluto loop what we will do is we will use if do block, take a comparator and place it over here. We are going to compare the roll angle which you will get from current state. Select current roll and use a number block. Now over here I am going to select less than. So we want to see if the roll angle is less than a particular digit. Over here I'll use -3 degrees. So if the current roll is less than -3 degrees, what we want is, we want one LED to toggle. We will use red as toggle. Also I will select the other LEDs. I'll show you the reason for that. Off and off. So if the current roll is less than -3 degrees, the red LED is going to toggle. Now I will add another condition. I'll copy paste this. If the current roll is greater than +3. So the other side, if the current roll is greater than +3, what I want to do is I will use the same LEDs. The options that we have is red, green and blue, but over here I'll put red as off and I can use green as toggle. So in case the drone in case the roll angle is less than -3, red will toggle, and if the roll angle is more than +3, the green LED will toggle. But over here I'll add another condition. We will have to use AND block. I will use this over here and I will use this over here. Change it to greater than or okay, greater than, and over here less than. So this is the range where we are considering that the surface is perfectly flat, between ±3 degrees. You can of course change this 3 to 2 or 1 or whatever you require. That is changing the sensitivity of the spirit level. You can customize as per your requirement, or you can simply experiment and play with it, and you'll understand how this makes a difference. In this case, what we will do is we will use all the LEDs and we will keep all the LEDs on. If we are keeping all the LEDs on, we get a white color. So this becomes our project. Let us quickly build and then flash. And after flashing, let us quickly connect our drone with the Pluto controller app, and let us press the developer mode to see the execution. As you can see, we can now use the drone to check if the surface is perfectly horizontal or if it is at a particular angle. So it will tell you if the surface is between plus or minus 3 degrees, and that is the definition of perfectly horizontal for us right now. If you change the number from 3 to 2 or 1, you get that much sensitivity. Now the point to be noted over here is just observe the toggle frequency, the rate at which the LED is toggling. Now coming back to our project, I would like to make a very small change, but a very significant change. If you remember loop time that we had talked about, we are going to change this to 30 milliseconds. And now again we will build and flash this project, and we will see how this loop time affects the blinking of the LED. And now again let us try to execute this project. And as you can see, the rate at which the LED is blinking changes, and this gives a very aesthetic effect to our project. So that is the reason we changed. It does not change the working of the project, just that it makes it aesthetically pleasing. So this spirit level makes a great project for you guys. You can use this as a typical spirit level, or you can develop a fun game. So what you can do is you can hold the drone in your hand and see who holds it the most stable. So if I hold it like this, and if I am wobbling it, the LED color is going to change. And if I am very stable, if I am extremely stable, the white LED will remain over there, like it will not change the color. So you can obviously change the difficulty level by changing the number from 3 to 2 and 1. So if I feel the most difficult will be plus and minus 1 degree, it will give you a very less margin for error, and you can just have fun with it. So I hope you guys learned about this. One more thing is you can also modify this project into a 3D spirit level. In this project we use just the roll angle, right? You can also include pitch angle. So you can use roll and pitch both together, and that will give you a 3D effect as a spirit level. So if you keep on the surface, you will understand exactly how the surface is behaving. So please do try that project, include the pitch, and let us know if you are able to do it. First of all, if you find any difficulty, let us know in the comment section. I will try to help you, and we can give out the solution, or we can give you the hint or whatever it may be. So just try it, and see you next time. In the next video we are going to play another game, which is Truth or Dare, using our Pluto. So please subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on these videos, and you can check out other videos on our channel as well regarding drones. See you next time. Please like, share and subscribe this video, and include other drone enthusiasts. Let us build the community together. Thank you.